So tonight I'm unveiling a brand new list. This is a less in your face, but possibly more potent reopening plays, since they're all being ignored, even though they should have had a great year if we can just get back to normal by June. Now, by the way, none of these stocks is low. Okay, I'm just saying that they're not considered reopening plays. So we're going to start with one that people think is a closed economy stock, and that's not true. It's Square. This has a popular peer-to-peer payments platform, Cash App, terrific point-of-sale system that's tied into their small business lending platform. Oh, and just tonight, breaking news, they're announcing that they're opening their own bank to create a more, what they call, holistic experience. And that's gigantic news that I have to tell you, I think the analysts are going to crow about it tomorrow. Now, about 150,000 restaurants have gone under because of the pandemic. But for the first time in ages, big cities have reasonable rents. And rent was always the killer for the restaurant industry. Now, people grumble about the minimum wage or food costs, but as someone with 2 restaurants, trust me on this, okay? It's the rent that's the killer. With rents down and lots of people eager to go out again, I'm betting we'll see a restaurant renaissance with people eating out rather than ordering in. And that's perfect for Square. Lots more in-person transactions using their hardware, and they can also make a mint by lending money to the ones with the best prospects. And now these same people will bank with this new Square bank that I'm talking about, rather than their current bank. One piece of the puzzle. Square bought a bundle of Bitcoin at about $10,000 for their cash management. And it's now closer to 50,000. Huge home run, and they just bought more. Remember, they're actually using it as what I say it should be. You should have some cash if you're running a company, and you should have some Bitcoin. I know that only Square seems to agree with me, but I don't care. They're smart guys. Even better, Square's Cash App platform has become the easiest place to buy Bitcoin, which could be huge now that cryptocurrency has become a worldwide sensation. They got on this bandwagon all the way back in 2018. I know people are buying $1, they're buying $100 of Bitcoin, and they're all using the Square app. Maybe you should too, okay? I am pro-Bitcoin. Thousands of younger people are doing this. Second, less obvious, this is an idea that I haven't talked enough about. Ralph Lauren. Granted, this one's already on the 52-week high list, but I think it's got a lot more room to run. Ralph Lauren used this downturn to close its underperforming stores. They took advantage of the downturn while betting heavily on direct-to-consumer and digitizing its advertising. The big pivot toward TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube brought a whole new demo to the stores. I know the stock is run, but can you imagine how well they'll do once people feel comfortable shopping in person again? Now, think about it like this. L Brands is up 52% for the year, and they're not even fit to shine Ralph Lauren's shoes, even as RL's only up 16%. I got another one that we just have not talked enough about lately. That's Ulta Beauty. All right. This cosmetics retailer really managed to hang in there during a very difficult period. They crafted an app that shows you how you look with certain colorations, and they pivoted hard to e-commerce. But this is the year when Ulta moves into Target, a store within a store. Okay, starting with 100 locations nationwide. I am telling you this move is not in the numbers, nor is the fact that they have a tremendous partnership with Estee Lauder. One of the reasons I no longer worry about American department stores is they sell it in Ulta. If Ulta can make this much money with its business completely hampered and crippled by the pandemic, think about what they'll do when you can go to the stores and try on makeup and not worry anymore.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.